What is artificial intelligence? When you hear the term artificial intelligence, you might think of cars that drive themselves, robots, apps like ChatGPT, and images that were made by computers. It's important to understand how AI works and how it will affect people now and in the future. Since the 1950s, AI has been defined as the ability of a machine to do things that humans do. As study and technology have improved over the years, this definition has grown. To decide if a computer or other machine should have intelligence, it's best to describe intelligence. Humans are unique in their ability. Some experts say that intelligence is the ability to change, solve problems, plan, adjust when things don't go as expected, and learn. It's not strange that scientists want to make intelligence, which is often seen as the basis of being human, in a lab. AI systems today can learn, solve problems, see, and even be creative and socially intelligent. AI is now used in many different ways. AI is in smart speakers that have Alexa or Google voice assistants. There are also ChatGPT, Bing Chat, and Google Bard. Machine learning systems answer questions like what ChatGPT's capital is or what Alexa's weather is. These systems can use their training to learn new skills for things they weren't taught, but they can't replace human intelligence or social contact. What types of AI are there? Most people agree that there are subcategories of narrow, general, and super artificial intelligence. Narrow AI. ANI is used by Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. This group is made up of smart systems that have been taught to do certain things or solve problems, even though they weren't made to do so. Narrow AI, like voice assistants, image recognition systems, technologies that respond to simple customer service requests, and tools that flag inappropriate material online, is often called weak AI because it doesn't have general intelligence. ChatGPT is an ANI that responds to questions with text. General AI. AGI, which is also called strong AI, is an idea in which a machine learns and does many different things. AGI can think and reason like a person. Like humans, AGI can understand any intellectual job, think in an abstract way, learn from its past mistakes, and figure out how to solve new problems. AI, as it is now, can't make a system or a machine with common sense. The end goal of AI study is a system that can think for itself. Super AI. AI could wipe out people. ASI is a system in which a machine's intelligence is better in every way than human intelligence. A machine that can learn and improve itself is just a theory, but if it is used in an honest way, it could lead to great improvements in health, technology, and other fields. How will AI change everything? AI can change our jobs, our health, how we use media, how private we are, and more. Think about how some AI systems might affect the whole world. People can use voice assistants to call self-driving cars to take them to work, where they can use AI to be more effective. Doctors and experts might be able to find cancer faster, find genetic sequences linked to diseases, and find chemicals that can make treatments better and save many lives. Instead, neural networks like DALL-E 2, Midjourney, and Bing that can make realistic images, copy sounds, and use a person's likeness to make deepfake videos could shake up the industry. These things could ruin pictures, movies, and audio. Face recognition and monitoring by AI are two things that many experts want to be illegal because they invade privacy. What AI services are available? You probably have at least one thing in your house that uses AI to speed up tasks and make life easy. These public examples of AI are both free and cost money. Voice helpers like Amazon Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant use natural language processing to understand what you're asking for and give you an answer. Machine learning is used by Google Translate, Microsoft Translate, Amazon Translate, and ChatGPT to translate words. Microsoft 365 makes work easier. Copilot is a good example. It's an integrated LLM that automates tasks in Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Excel, Teams, and more. If you tell Copilot to email the team about the latest project status, it will automatically put together a text using information from emails and documents. Image and video recognition. AI programs can find faces, text, and items in photos and videos. Clarify uses machine learning to organize unstructured data from different sources, while Amazon Recognition lets users share photos to get information. Many programmers use ChatGPT to write and fix code, even though there are a lot of AI technologies that can help coders. The OpenAI Codex AI Pair Coder GitHub Copilot is a generative language model that fills in comments and code to make writing code faster. How to start a business. OpenAI's GPT-4 API, which is currently on a queue, lets developers use the LLM to build apps and services, and Amazon Bedrock has a set of AI tools for developers that run in the cloud. Thanks for watching this video.